I'm back again. Hi, it's Mascara, and I'm in the same thing as you saw me in last week because I'm pre-filming because I don't know when I'm next going to get the opportunity to. Honestly, I'm trying to get it as much done as possible because I'm not wearing my contact lenses to work at the moment, so you win some, you lose some basically. And this thing flicking out is just because the fringe thing I'm trying to grow out is annoying me when I'm trying to do my makeup, so I've got a little hair slide in. It saves me tying up the rest of my hair and having the bottom half of it kind of sticking out all over the place because my hair is not long or thick or voluminous. It just kind of sticks out in awkward angles constantly. I'm going to be trying to create a look, maybe two, depends how adventurous I'm feeling, using Jeffree's Mini Breaker palette. It's this. I bought it because of the pinks and purples, but there are some more natural looks you can get with this. Not gonna lie, I'm not somebody who normally does natural makeup. Because where I work, they don't really mind if we come in bright and colourful as long as we're wearing our normal work shirts and stuff. They don't care if we turn up with luminous pink hair, which head office have done, or in my case, luminous pink eyeshadow, which I did for about a week. And if you can see a little bit of red underneath my eyes, or on my eyelids, it's because the makeup from last week's video stained my eyelids. Gotta love red. So, I've got my normal base on. I haven't got highlighter on because I do that last for some weird reason. No mascara, no eyeliner, no lipstick, because I'm leaving my lips till literally last. So, I don't have like hot pink and, I don't know, bright red. So, I'm gonna get started on this. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. I'm slowly getting there. I've got some subscribers. And share it with your mates, know what you're good at. Everybody's in quarantine, you may as well binge watch. Find some new YouTubers, not just me, but some other people. So I'm going to give my normal brush a quick clean. It is coming out purple, which is fully expected of me. I've got a white towel. You've seen it in many videos probably. So I'm going to first of all go in with Foreplay, which is this purplish colour, pinky purpley colour. And if you're wondering why I didn't get the full size version of this, it's because it was out of stock when I was picking this up. Else, I'm not gonna lie, I probably would have, because it's bright colours. I can wear bright colours to work, which is honestly when I mostly wear makeup. I'm gonna blend this up towards my brow bone, just so that it's nice, blown out. I've got something nice to work with. Not gonna lie, I do have to load my brush up a little bit, but purples aren't always the best colours. So I'm going to go in with a bit of bubblegum, which is the pink up in the corner. And blend that up really high, because I can, basically. Honestly, if it wasn't for one palette, I would not be into pinks and purples and bright colours. I'm just honestly just bored of the whole oranges and yellows and browns. If I'm gonna wear makeup, I want to stand out. I want to be big, bold. Because I live in a city where I'm not gonna get judged for having bright pink eyeshadow or green. I haven't actually worn green eyeshadow ever. I might do that tomorrow. Also, if there's any videos you'd like me to film, let me know, because I can at some point when I next get some time off, or when the whole pandemic is over. I'm going back in with some Foreplay. That's what she said. I'm just gonna tap that onto the lid. I'm trying to get an idea of what kind of look I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. So I'm gonna go in with a bit of Purple Punch, the middle shade. And tap that onto the outer corner. I'm going to change brush and make. I know exactly which brush I want, but I just can't find it, or a clean one of it. I'm going to go with a flat densely packed, do the ones from ABH with that purple, and really pack it on. Also, what is your favourite eyeshadow palette? I don't mind if it's a neutral one or a bold one or colours I don't really use. But let me know down in the comments because I'm genuinely curious about what my viewers like. Now I'm going to clean this off a little bit and run a little bit of foreplay underneath my eye using the same brush. Making sure it all darkens up and looks nice and neat. I'm going to do a bit of that and a bit of bubblegum as well. Just to really brighten it up. And then a tiny bit of purple punch. Just to deepen up the outer corner a bit. Kind of light the helmet up, but really. Now I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to use a brush again and use a bit of Bite Me, which is a shimmery purple at the bottom next to bubblegum. I'm going to use this to go on the outer edges of the halo. Okay, that one's actually darker than Purple Punch. So I'm going to put that all over the lid for now. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Ish. Then I'm going to go in with Oral, which is this kind of duochrome purpley colour. And very soft. I use my finger for a little bit of the Bite Me just to kind of blend the two together. I'm going back in with the fluffy brush in a minute with a bit of Purple Punch and Foreplay to blend the edges because it will make it look much neater in the long run. This is what I was looking for I had eyeliner or mascara or anything like that. It's looking pretty good, I think. Let me know what you think, honestly. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Ciate London Stamp and Drag. The one where it's got eyeliner on one end and a stamp on the other. It quite honestly scares me a little bit. So I'm going to use the pointy end. Now that's done. Not the neatest, but not the worst either. I mean, I've done a much dodgier job before. So I'm going to go in with some good old mascara. I'm going to use the Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. It looks funky. I really love the packaging of this. Oh, it's just one of those days where I'm just going to make a mess everywhere, isn't it? And I'm going to use a bit of the Collection Lash Surge as well, just to add some extra. Because why the hell not, really? Now I'm going to do some quick highlighter, some quick lips, and I'll be back. And so this is the finished look. I'm hoping you kind of like what I've done with it. I know it's very, very me, but I'm kind of digging it. Not used to the pink lip. I used the MK Beauty lipstick I got with my glossy box. Every bit of the Fenty one. I like this, but it just didn't seem quite right for it. And I've used the Ofra Glazed Donut Highlighter with NikkiTutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know what videos you want to see in the future, what your favourite, if you actually like this look or not, or what colours you think I should use next. So yeah. Also, if you are in lockdown in any country, let me know how you're doing with it all, how you are. I love to see how you're all doing and stuff like that. So yeah, see you all next week for hopefully another video. Bye!